Hi, welcome to Glow Within. I just wanted to talk very briefly about the difference between mantra and affirmation and I am. So mantra is specific words that were passed along in Sanskrit from the deities to yogis, basically, and they are very sacred words that we use. So when we're saying I am statements, those are actually affirmations. They're words that we have created to affirm action within ourselves or to affirm emotion or sensation within ourselves. So very important differentiation. Affirmations are hugely powerful, as are mantras. And we all connect with different ones at different times in our lives, so feel free to explore. I have a beautiful list on my Instagram channel of mantras and sound healing that I use at home for myself and to help calm energy with my girls. One of them I have sung as a lullaby for the girls, and anyways, it's super beautiful. I encourage you to check it out. And then, of course, the I am statement. So, I am is very powerful. It's, we're saying that we are this energy that we wish to embody. And so, when we are saying that we are this energy that we wish to embody, we are already saying that we are this energy. So we're not seeking it from an external source. We are this energy already. And when I combine this with EFT or with emotional freedom technique tapping, if you don't believe that you are this energy currently, you can always start by, you can do the karate chop or wherever you'd like to tap. I really like the heart, but you can do the full thing. And I'll get into that another time. Anyways, so you can start by saying, I think I am worthy. Yeah, I would love to be worthy. Yeah, I think I'm worthy. I feel worthy. And work your way up to the I am worthy. So our body and our energy isn't going to align with the I am statement if we're not currently feeling like we're aligned with that energy. So it's something to work up to if it's an aspirational I am. And that's something you can practice every day. You can start by doing the I think I am, and then the next day maybe it'll be I feel I am, and then the full I am, the following, for example. Anyways, on another note, I created the I am yoga deck of cards for kids, for families and classrooms to share. They are a beautiful age-appropriate layered deck for children 3 and up, where we share many socially, emotionally, intellectually, and physically age-appropriate skills and practices for children to explore. And they're fabulous for us to explore even as adults. One of the greatest things I think about teaching children is they teach us. They teach us in every facet of life, regardless. But when we allow them to have the opportunity to share their gifts with us, particularly in this yoga or meditation practice, it's amazing to see what comes out. It's really, really powerful. My 3-year-old, she's been practicing for since she was 1, I guess, doing ohms, etc. And the other day before nap, she's like, Mommy, I'm just gonna go meditate and use the breathing ball. I was like, this is fabulous. This is exactly what I wanted. She has the skill she needs to calm herself. And she's been ohming forever to try and calm herself. So it's such a joy to see children who are natural yogis connect with it so intuitively. And so if we as parents can lead by example and share and involve them with this practice and with some of these tools, these are skills, these are life skills for them to be able to, I'll call it self-regulate, even though I'm not a fan of that term, but to understand their emotional awareness and to be able to process the emotions, sensations that are coming up so they don't get stuck in our bodies. So anyways, I have this beautiful deck coming. I'm super, super excited about it. I've wanted to have it out for 2 years now, and it has the accompanying course on the app, so it's layered with even more tools and things for you to explore as an educator, as a parent, and to share with the children in your lives. Again, leave any questions, any thoughts that you have below, please, and you'll see a little bonus in the comments. So yeah, enjoy it and see you.